Hey, how's it going? I have a roll cage there that's been done for a little while for a Fiesta ST. Yeah, I was trying to pick it up today, but I was curious, so would it be possible if I brought like a jack, or if you guys have a jack to just help me fit it in there?
Yeah, I mean, we can definitely give it a shot, you know what I mean? We almost got it in there. That's right, so if we would put a jack under there and inject it up, we could probably just totally done it. So yeah, that'd be fine. When do you want to come?
I was gonna come like as soon as possible.
Okay, come on down, we're here.
All right, cool, man. I appreciate it. What's up, boys? We're back at it again. Today, we're gonna go get the roll cage hopefully installed into the car, or at least fitted, because last time I went down to Auto Power, they could not get the cage in the car because we need a jack to get it in, apparently, which I didn't know that was a thing, but apparently it is. So we're heading down to Auto Power San Diego. Woo, she's actually not that clean. She's actually kind of dirty. I can't really even do that voice right now. Hello, you little willies. Oh, no cold start. Sad boys. It's too hot for this jacket. Oh, bucket seat L. Oh. I like it when I'm filming and people walk by and they hear me talking. They're like, who are you talking to? You crazy idiot. And I say, it's the boys. So we're going down to Auto Power right now to hopefully get this cage installed, I guess you would. My car just got stuck in a weird ass idle just now. It was weird. Anyways, let's go say what up to the boys right now. Damn it. Anarchy. Yeah, baby. I think that for this car being a 1.6, and I've said this a bunch of times before, it sounds so damn beefy, like a cow hip. It sounds so like beefy. People are always surprised to hear that this is a 1.6 liter turbo. They're like, it's a 1.6 and it makes how much power? I love that. I think it's funny. It is kind of a sleeper if you think about it. I have a little story for you. The other day I was getting onto the freeway, and you know the stoplights that are on the on-ramps? I'm not gonna lie, I blew it. I just went right through it. I didn't go like fast, you know, or whatever. I was just gradually merging onto the freeway, okay? And there's a Jeep Wrangler that had just taken off from that light that was red and turned green. And this Jeep Wrangler turns on its lights. And I was like, that Jeep Wrangler just lit up like a cop car. What the fuck? And I get up to it, and he didn't pull me over. He just like warned me. It was a full-on sheriff's vehicle, but it was like a 2010 Jeep Wrangler. Not a lifeguard, not a park ranger, a sheriff. Had like the livery and everything. I had never seen that in my life. All right, pulling up to Auto Power, baby. Let's see if we can get this thing installed. I cannot fucking wait to see what this looks like, dude. It should be pretty legit. Waiting for Brad to come help me out. Brad, I need you to help me get the cage in right now. Ready to try this out?
Yeah, here we go.
All right, Brad is on a mission today, man. He just get in and get out. Brad's lacing up his shoes right now, dude. He's getting ready to boogie. I really hope this can get in there. That would be great. We're getting the car jacked up because in order to fit this roll cage in, you need the car to be jacked up. Otherwise, it literally just does not have the ability to fit. All right, car is successfully up on the jacks. Honestly, I wasn't sure if I'd be able to do that or not, but here we are doing it. This is gonna be filled with a cage today, boys. It's never gonna be the same, damn it. We're up in the air, brother.
All right.
We're good.
Here we go.
How do we want to attack this?
Pop open that door over there.
Okay, sure.
Good luck, everybody else.
Here we go again.
Yeah, let's try it. Do you want me to hop on?
Gun at the far side there. Can you pop open the trunk?
Yeah, sure.
Gotta get lower, Jesse. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Now back up.
Hold on.
Yep, yeah, now's the critical part. Yep. Okay, how do we do this? Lean your side board. Yep. Nope, that's not working better either. Your passenger seat move forward at all? Is it on sliders or is it bolted?
Bolted. Yeah. If you need to like just scratch a tiny bit, like you can't, it's a side skirt. They're getting replaced anyways.
Slide it forward. Let's just see what we can do.
Oh, it's all good.
It's done.
It's good. Proven to be a little bit harder than we thought. It's all good. I'm just gonna try and quickly explain this to you guys before we get this in. So we have to angle it in like this because if you can't just put a roll cage in like that straight across. It doesn't really make sense. So we're having issues with this actually getting into the car, and yeah. Is it always this complicated, or is it just because it's a weird, tiny, compact
car? And I say we never recommend, you know, like really to do this, you should have both seats removed, you know, it just makes life a lot easier, but just trying to get it
through here.
Might have to take the seats out.
No.
It's just so close.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second. Oh, can you close your door?
Close it?
Can you? Just, slowly, obviously, make sure that the foot clears. Watch your fingers.
It'll close, yeah.
Is it closed? Will this clear?
Yeah, I think so.
There we go. Let me give you a towel.
Yeah.
Put on that one because let me see here. It's not going to go forward because the seat's holding it.
Yeah.
So it's not going to hit your glass.
Yeah.
Ooh, this closed up. Just enough. There we go. There we go.
All right.
Is it in there?
It's I
It's
mean,
tight,
yeah.
huh?
Yeah.
Well, it's not hitting anything, I don't think.
I mean, I don't think so.
I'm going to goof a little bit.
That's okay.
It's in there.
It's in there.
Be careful, it's sprung loaded.
Yeah. Holy shit.
Both doors are going to go like bonk.
Yeah. Okay, so the roll gauge is in, guys. This is the final product. Kind of went it upside down a little bit, but that's the only way we could get it in for now. So that's again never what I'm expecting, but it always seems to happen this way. So we have a backwards roll cage. I'm trying to call people right now because I literally can't, I have to drop this off somewhere. I can't keep this like this overnight. You can see that it's literally hanging out my window. I can't obviously do that for the rest of the night.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice message.
Not good.
Bradford, this is Mike.
Hey, how's it going, man? How you doing today? I was curious to know some pricing if you can over the phone, and also if I could drop it off soon.
Can you say it again? What was that? All right, thanks. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Bye bye. Not going there. Nope.
RW Little, how can I help you?
Hey, how you doing today?
Doing well, how about yourself?
Pretty good. If we can agree on pricing, would I be able to leave it with you guys immediately?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, cool. Okay, all right. I'll be down there in looks like about 8 minutes or so.
Okay, thank you so much.
All right, appreciate it. Bye-bye. I'm actually really having a tough time deciding what to do here. I don't actually know what to do. So if I drop it off the powder coat, that means it's gonna get powder coated without me being able to fit it into the car, which is probably gonna entail me scratching the thing up. So that's not good, but on the flip side, I have nowhere to store this or put it. So either I just powder coat it and send it and we just fit it. I guess we could, no, we can't wrap it in anything. What the fuck am I gonna wrap it in? All right, we're going straight to powder coat. Damn it. We have pulled up to what looks like a junkyard that is apparently gonna be powder coating this for me. I'm gonna go run inside, get some pricing, and I'll let you guys know what it is and what the fate of this thing is gonna be for today, because I honestly have no clue what I'm doing. Okay, so guys, we're gonna get this thing powder coated here. I thought it was gonna be $1,000, and I don't know why I thought that, but it's like 250 bucks, which I cannot believe that. I'm so over the moon about that right now. But anyway, so we have to pick a color right now for the roll bar. I'm gonna do this red right here on the whole actual roll bar, and then this part, I think I'm gonna do it white. So, what's the full price on it?
$285.
What is it?
$285.
$285. Is this normally how much it costs? I mean, I feel like for some reason in my head, I just thought it was gonna be so much
Yeah,
more
for
expensive.
something of that size. Yeah.
It's so weird. Like that. Fuck yeah. Dude, I'm actually so stoked. Okay, so also, by the way, we have some colors to pick. I thought I knew what I was gonna do, but now I see yellow and orange and all these crazy colors. I'm doing it two-tone, so it's not gonna be all the same color. I'm gonna go live on my Instagram, I think, in a little bit here and chat with you guys about it and see what you think. Because usually you guys' input is pretty solid, to be honest with you, so. But yeah, I'm so pumped, dude. I'm getting it powder coated, dude. I'm getting a cage in this thing. I'm so fucked. I don't even have coilovers yet. Bye-bye, lovely roll cage. I'll see you soon. What's up, boys? All right, I know that was kind of a short video. Well, it might not be that short now that I'm doing this, but I want to talk a little bit about the 400Z. I know this is obviously not the title of the video, but kind of curious. Also, just went live with a bunch of you guys talking about roll bar colors. We ended up picking those out. I think we're gonna go with this. Oops, nope, lies. This right here for the roll bar. But for the 400Z, I really want to know, what do you guys want to see with that car? Like, do you guys want to see me track that thing? Do you want me to make it 1,000 horsepower? Do you want me to make it like a spec car? Do you want me to just do random stuff with it? I'm curious, because me personally, I think I want to make it as fast as I possibly can in a straight line. Like, I'm very tempted to make it like 750 wheel, which is possible with those cars, at least the motor. So kind of thinking I'm gonna do that, but I'm not totally sure. Just curious what you guys' input is on that. And also, I'm curious whether you guys like the Corolla GR or the 400Z better. It's not gonna affect my decision to buy the 400Z because the Z's coming way before the Corolla GR, I hope. So I'm gonna get the 400Z. You know what? I'm gonna stop calling it the 400Z, dude. It's the Nissan Z. If all goes well, or if I have to, one of the two, I will trade the 400Z. Oh my God. Nissan Z. I will trade the Nissan Z for the Corolla GR because me, deeply rooted in hot hatch, that's kind of where I tend to fall into in terms of the category that I like, hot hatch, all the way. But I am curious to experiment with this 400Z. Anyways, all right, boys, I'll catch you on the next one. Look for a video this coming Monday or Sunday, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.